Please. Maggie?
Just
Maggie?
just one more. Oh, this one's called Puss in Boots.
Maggie. I'm done. I am totally done. Everybody's watching cat videos. The entire freaking planet is glued to Screw Tube. It's unfreaking believable. You know something? Maggie, once upon a time, we had it all. We had friends, we had a fine family, we had a life. We had fancy vacations, cruises. Everybody was jealous of our jet-setting life. Some of our friends are still talking to us. It's not too late. We can rebound. We still could have it all. I can't believe it's come to this, though. I've been a great provider. Stellar, as a matter of fact. But look at what's become of us. I don't know who you are anymore. You're not the woman I married. This isn't how it's supposed to be. It's not right.
Where are you going?
For a stroll.
Now?
Yes.
But it's late.
Yes, it's late, and I'm wide awake.
But where are you going to stroll at this hour?
I got legs, don't I? I'm sure they'll find a way to keep moving.
But the island's tiny. You could fall off a cliff in the dark.
Well, that'll work. If not, I'll wait until I can't wait anymore. When I can't wait anymore, I'll just
There
die.
are snakes and piranhas and scorpions and alligators and sharks everywhere. That's what Gil Beato said, but that's good.
So I'll make some new friends.
Oh, come on. Please come back to bed. Is something the matter?
Oh. Yes! I feel like I'm having a menage a trois with kittens.
I'm done, I promise.
That's what you say every night. I can't take it anymore. I'd rather die a grisly death pulverized by assorted island beasts. Man on 30th wedding anniversary getaway, devoured by man-eating salamander as he flees his cell phone addicted wife.
No, please don't go, Robert. Okay, I'll put my phone away right now. Well, aren't you going to take your clothes off and get into bed, darling?
No. Not until you're in bed. Under the covers. Actually, I think I'll keep my clothes on just in case.
In case of what?
In case you get back on your phone. If you do, I'm out the door.
Okay, honey. Gosh. Didn't think you were going to get so upset.
Go to sleep, please.
I love you. I said I love you.
I heard you the first time.
It's our 30th wedding anniversary. We always said we would never go to bed angry. I'm sorry. Please. Is there some way I can make it up to you, honey?
What did you have in mind? It's not funny.
Oh, come on. Let's pretend we get cats.
No. Pretending we're kitty cats isn't sexy. It doesn't make me feel amorous, especially on our wedding anniversary.
What if I'm not?
Now, that's more like it.
Hold on a second. Just hold on, honey. It's just an alert to a video update from Kitty in the City. Oh, look how cute! It's so cute. Okay.
Really?
No. Look, I'm sorry. Please don't leave. What'd you just do with my phone?
I don't give a tinker's damn about your phone, Maggie.
Okay, pipe down, Robert. The whole island will hear us.
So what? I don't care if the entire universe hears me right now. It's either me or the phone, Maggie. That's what it's come down to right here, right now. You either choose me or the phone. And yes, it is our 30th wedding anniversary. But if you go out that door after your phone, it will, I assure you, be our last.
But aren't you overreacting?
No, I am not. You choose your phone, you lose me.
Okay, but what if my mother calls?
Oh, well, cross that bridge when we come to it. Besides, she can always call you on my phone.
I cannot not have a phone while you go about your business on your phone. That's just not fair.
Oh.
I refuse to be in a phoneless marriage.
If you weren't addicted to it, I wouldn't have a problem with you having a phone. You know that.
So you're just gonna leave it out there? Anybody could come and steal.
So what?
So what? Everything's on it. Our contacts, itineraries, the links to my... Everything's on it, Robert.
I don't give a rat's rump.
How am I supposed to be a free woman?
Oh, Maggie, listen to me. This has nothing to do with your freedoms. You are free to come and go as you like. We have always had freedom in our marriage, but you are addicted to your cell phone, and I can't handle it anymore. For upwards of 3 years now, it has wreaked havoc on our marriage. Those Silicon Valley brats, they make them so they're addictive. I hate to say this, but you've lost all common sense. I can't even depend on you to take care of the most simple things anymore.
What are you talking about? I am still the same woman you married.
No, you are not.
What do you mean? Name one way I've changed.
For starters, you don't even water your orchids anymore. They've all died, or maybe you hadn't noticed. Even Mary commented that whenever she looks out her window at our atrium window, she thinks she's looking at a greenhouse funerary parlor.
Oh.
She even asked me the other day if I might need her help to clean up the eyesore. That used to be your pride and glory.
It's just because Tizzy.
Don't blame Tizzy. Those orchids are your babies. You let them die because you were glued to kittens in mittens.
Okay, now you're bullying me, Robert, and I won't stand for it. Not on our wedding anniversary.
You don't care at all about where we eat out. You don't even notice how the dessert menu changes at Chateau Blanc. You used to care. You wouldn't even notice if our towel sets were his and hers anymore. You never say anything about the ties I'm wearing. It's all meow, meow. I'm not a cat. I don't speak cat. I don't do cat. I'm a man. I am a non-feline Homo sapien man.
God. I had no idea you felt this.
Oh, what do you mean? I've been trying to communicate this to you for quite a while.
Oh, stop! Don't go, darling. Please don't go. Robert, I would die without you. You're right. We haven't done any of those things in a long while. I just thought But I don't know what I thought.
Remember the things we used to do together, like play checkers and do the crosswords together and listen to Sinatra on Sundays.
What has become of me?
I miss you. I can't go on living like this.
Please don't leave me, Robert. I don't know what I would do without you. I'm still as in love with you as when we first met. Even more so. I had no idea that this phone habit was causing so many problems. Honest to goodness, I feel so ashamed.
I really think the only answer is abstinence. We're just gonna have to pull the plug.
What do you suggest?
I'd say we try a week, or at least until this trip is over.
I can't do that. What about 24 hours? Please. That's so drastic.
Fine. We'll start with 24 hours. I want my wife back.
I love you.
I love you too. Oh, mommy.